question says, if someone has bleeding hands due to cold weather, and he washes his hands before saying a prayer, but while he's saying the prayer, he notices his hands are bleeding again. Does he have to wash his hands in order to continue praying again?
The question is, blood makes the hands impure? It's a very good question. I think, I'm not sure 100%, well, one of these cases, I'm not sure 100%. I would say yes. Try to put a bandage on. So I have, just so you know, I have the same problem. Every like winter, I have in one place it's on my hand, it's dry out and cracks. And it's so painful, but Baruch Hashem, you will just say thank you to Hashem for this thing. And sometimes it bleeds also. And I like the person that I learn with, like he has such a severe issue with that. Right? He has all of these dry hands and cracked hands, like all around. He's like, I saw his hands. It's unbelievable. Very dry, right? So yeah, so you just wash your blood and you continue praying. So I would say put a bandage or something, because it's like what I learned over the years. You cannot heal this issue. So wherever you put any cream, it feels a little better. But the whole winter I have the same issue. Okay. What else?
Take care, Rabbi.
You're welcome.